everyone, it's Starshare again. So, karon magluto ta og pagkaon ako. This is only my food, togi at saka pichay. So, olive oil, butter. Mainit na yung pan natin, ilagay na natin yung garlic. Tapos ihalo ko na yung sibuyas at saka onion. Halo ko na silang lahat yan. Pati yung tangkay ng pichay. Halo ko na silang lahat. As I said, it's only my food. Wala akong hinalo nito na karne or isda. Ganyan lang siya. Mas gusto kong kainin na ganyan lang. Black pepper. Turmeric. As I said, this is only my version. And then 1/2 teaspoon ng chicken powder. Tapos konting soy sauce, gamit ko ay Kikkoman. And as I said, this is only my food. Vinegar, white vinegar, mga 1 teaspoon lang. Halo lang natin sila. Ganyan may halo-halo. Tapos, isabay ko na yung togi at saka pichay.